Hey guys, welcome back to Shop Life. It's another day at the vlog. Oh my god. Alright. Hey guys, welcome back to Shop Life. Another day at the shop. Today we're actually working on this 2013 Audi S4. And if you've kept up with the vlogs, we've actually worked on this before. But today we're going to be changing the right front axle assembly. It started leaking all the grease out from like where the axle actually meets where it meets the hub. So we're changing that out so that way it stops throwing grease everywhere. And besides that, I mean, it's not making any noise or anything like that, so we caught it before it got like really bad. So we'll replace it and hopefully that takes care of that issue. And besides that, I mean, this car only has like 57,000 miles. It's only like 5 years old, but he's done a lot of actually stuff to it. It's got exhaust. It used to be lowered. I put it back to stock suspension. And then we also changed all the front control arms, the spindles and all that. But yeah, it's a clean car as you guys can see. But yeah, roll the montage. So next morning, we're dropping off all the scrap metal that we loaded into the truck, so that way the truck is empty again.
Here we are. All this. We're about to play games. We're at the restaurant. Alright, so this is what I got. Some like lettuce wraps, kind of tacos. It's like a taco without the tortilla. It's like lettuce instead. It has carnitas in it. Then I got a mojito strawberry.
Green tea.
Green tea. You got a green tea.
Yep.
What happened to your face?
Someone punched me right here. She punched me right here.
Oh yeah, okay. And he got some sort of sandwich.
A spamwich.
Spamwich.
With sweet potato fries.
With sweet potato fries.
Did I say you could go out?
Who told you can go outside, boy?
He's like, there's nobody here.
Okay. Alright, bye.
Alright, we'll see you tomorrow. Another night at the shop. We're working on this C280. I believe it's a 99. We're doing a lowering spring install, as well as replacing all the shocks all around, replacing a window regulator, and just doing an overall inspection of the car. It does have 280,000 miles, I believe. So I'm just gonna look over everything, make sure everything's good, and yeah, that's the plan. Where's my 19?
I don't know. Wonder where it's at. All this everywhere.
Hey, when I'm working, it gets a little messy.
A little messy.
Yes, a little bit.
I swear this was like organized yesterday, and then
Yeah, well, I mean, you want me to stop?
earthquake. Blame it on the earthquake.
Oh yeah, there was earthquake here. That's
yeah,
why.
like 4, right?
Yeah. So I mean, would you rather me, stop working and sit here and organize my tools and sweep my floor, or get the job done and then organize my tools and sweep the floor?
No, I think you want me to do that.
Yeah, that too, but.
Yeah. Damn, boy, you're going bald.
Hey, no, not yet. At least give me until the 30s, and then I'm fine. At least let me live my 20s with a full head of hair.
Why? Who are you looking for?
Ain't nobody looking for nobody.
And then why do you need hair?
Cause all these YouTubers gonna stop following me.
Because you're bald?
Yes.
I don't think people do that.
You never know. I mean, I'm the beauty of this channel, bro.
Shut the up. And with that, this clip is over.
Yep.
We have the front springs, as we could see, and these are the old rear springs. Pretty cool. And then we have some beautiful oil stains here. Yep. Typical. You can see he already removed it. He already did the back. The back is all settled. He's just working on the front, and then we're good. Yeah. We have all these boxes all over the place, but we'll get that cleaned up once the customer picks up the car, so that he just gets to look at his old parts before we scrap them. So yeah, that's what we're doing.
But anyways, as you can see right here, we do have like a little bit of a license plate collection, and this guy actually he really paid attention. I mean, I can't believe he's like, dude, you don't have a Wyoming plate on your wall. So he sent us a Wyoming plate. Wyoming.
How did you pronounce that?
Wyoming. Why?
Wyoming.
That's what I said. Wyoming. What? Say Miami.
Shut up.
Exactly.
Miami.
Shut up. See, but yeah. So he sent us some Wyoming plates. Oh my God.
Dude, hold on. Does he say a weird? Say it again.
Wyoming.
Wyoming. Wyoming? I
thought
it was
Wyoming.
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 I thought it was Wyoming.
No, there's an N and a G.
I know, but I thought, people pronounce it Wyoming.
Do you say runny or do you say running? But yeah. So it's from Yaroslav. I hope I'm saying that right. His Instagram name is @YesExcuses. Make sure you go follow him. He sent me a little note, and I really appreciate it, man. It's a very nice gesture. I mean, I don't see how people are so kind to, you know, just send something out without expecting anything in return. It's crazy. This world is actually filled with a lot of nice people.
But yeah, we'll put it up there tomorrow once I move some of this stuff so I can actually get up there and put it. But yeah, thank you so much.
So anyways, like I said, that's it for this video. And once again, thank you very much, man. I really do appreciate it.
No beamer when I pull in the sun. Change on me just like Polo the Don. Don't be fronting, girl, you know I'm the one. Number 2 is not an option and they know they can't stop me. Take off, I can't take no breaks off. I've been working hard.